Hi everybody, for those who've seen, my back is not quite as good as new, but it's getting there. I'm back on track, we're back in the business, and look out, the property market is really humming right now. So this is an invitation for you for our next event, which is, look, we're changing venues. So it's Arundel Hills Golf Club this time round. It's 6 for 6:30 on October 30th. We've got a new crew of speakers coming through as well, with some existing ones that you're used to, but we're really mixing things up because the market's shifting. The lending market is definitely shifting. It's harder in many ways to refinance. Many people are living with their principal interest loans. That changes how many properties you can have based on what the banks think of serviceability is like. So we really want to drill down and focus on that this time around, and also how to maximise your portfolio. This event is called the Power of 4. Now what's that about? That's about how you can maximise having 4 properties only in an investment portfolio. Forget 10 that you hear others talking about. You can do it fantastically well with 4 properties. So I want to go through and show you how to make sure you get 4 properties and how you can make 4 properties work for you and give you a fantastic retirement income. I've got people like Brendan Robinson coming to speak at this event from Nexus Solar. He's actually a fantastic speaker, speaks all over the country, and he'll be talking about solar. I'm adding solar to my own house right now and also to some of my investment properties. So I want to share with you what I'm doing on my own journey, how you can actually increase the income stream on your own property, whether it's granny flats or solar or other sort of formats as well. So come along, we're going to break that down one by one. We'll go through a step-by-step process for you to follow, so you can actually know how to get the right number of properties first, how to finance them, and actually how to then turn the income stream up, to turn the screws up, to make sure you've got an income stream well and truly to covering the cost of your properties and your profit that you'll need to fund your retirement in those retirement years. So make sure you pin your ears back, get ready, invite your friends, invite your family, invite your puppy and your dog and so forth, but it's going to be a good one. We're at Arundel Hills Golf Club on October 30th. Make sure you're there. Look forward to it. See ya.